Well, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be drawing Hinata from Naruto. So we're going to get right in. We'll start, it's a portrait, we'll start with her right eye. No, her left, our right. So it's her left eye, but it's on the right hand side. So we'll start with that top eyelid as usual. So she's got eyelashes and stuff in this that we can clearly see. So we'll go here, diagonal up. This will go across and spike up to an eyelash just there, and then we have another one just there, and then this comes out, and then this comes back in. Then we can make that thicker, making it real dark. Curves around her eye, just there. And in there she has really big eyes. So we'll do the bottom eyelid first. Just there, kind of comes up. They don't join, and so her irises are huge. So she has just no pupil because she has that, you know, her clan's eye. It's just real big, kind of that grey color. And then above that, so we've a line for an eyelid, just a fold of her skin. That's what that represents. And then another one above that, just curves down, just like that. And then above there we have her eyebrow, so it's just here. And it's sort of thick at the end, and then it gets real thin off towards her hair. Get as thin as you can, I guess, as much as your marker will allow. But if you're using a pencil, of course, you could make it really thin. Right, we'll come over. Distance between the eye is another eye. And then we'll do the same thing. So we'll do the top eyelid, just curves across. And then there's eyelashes, just that spike up, and then one at the end, just there. And then we're going to make this thicker, so you just color it in black. And then we have the bottom eyelid, so just a thin sort of line just there, and then our massive eyes inside. And then we have those similar lines just above her eyes. Then a bigger one here, curves up, back down. So these eyes that sort of go down give her that sort of that look that she's real calm, or just like a real sort of kind of nice person, I guess. And then for this eyebrow then is above that, and it's kind of thicker on this end, and then gets thinner as we go across. And then her nose, we just have a line in there, and then we're going to come down about halfway between the eyes and the chin. So if the chin was here, you'd want to find halfway, and that's where her nose will be. And you just got to do 2 nostrils, just like that. And then a very simple mouth, should we just do a line like this, and then it will curve up just on the side, just to give a small smile. So her face is framed by hair. She's got a fringe and spikes that come down. So say from the eyebrow, right? So let's see. So we'll go down there, and then it comes this way, and then this will come down all the way. past the bottom of her chin there. And then we can do the same on the other side. So we could do this bit that comes that way and then comes down. Just like that. And then you could frame in her face inside. And usually when you're drawing a female character rather than a male, you wouldn't give them that pointy jawline or anything. It's like they're more kind of curvy when you're drawing. So like big eyelashes and sort of softer features is the way you'd describe it, I guess. To give it that feminine look. And we just see one of her ears just under there. And then we'll finish her hair, her fringe that comes up here. So it goes up, down, and then it comes around like that. One. They're kind of boxes. Spike, and then a box. You could do sort of different lines. Spike, and then another box. Comes down, this comes back up to that spike then there. And then we'll do the hair around. So this spikes up to there. Same on this side, spikes up. You can do this, of course, many different ways. And then this curves around. She's kind of drawn asymmetrically in what I'm looking at. So this one's a bit different on this side. So it comes up to here. This one will come around and join the back of her hair here. So you'll see what I mean now. So it curves up. So you're checking that you're trying to keep it as round as you can. And then it starts to come down this way. You see what I mean? This one joins this one. Now you'll see this one comes past. Goes past that. And then we can see this one here that comes out from the side. So they're slightly different on both sides. It makes it more interesting drawing sometimes. What I'm drawing now is just to differentiate between the front of her hair and the inside shadow that's behind her neck. So then, of course, above here she has like a white shine. When you're coloring her hair black, you would leave these sections white, and they're just these kind of boxes with spikes going into them, or you could describe them as capital letter N's. You'll see what I mean now when I draw this one. So it's spike, comes back, and then goes up. See, it's like a letter N, like a real blocky letter N. So there, spike. You bring this one past, spike, up. This one comes over, down, across. In here is left white, so it's the shine of her hair. This one, spike, up, across. Bring it down a bit maybe. Follow the shape of her head. Comes down, up, across. And one more. Just there. Comes down. More diagonal sort of way. Up and down. And then small one. And then down here. So they're left white and her hair is coloured black. Right, so her neck. Just here. Real thin neck, and then we have her headband that's just in here. So she wears her headband along her neck, around her neck, sorry. So that's the top line for it. And then we have the bit that goes around her neck. Just comes down here, bumps, comes down. And then we can do the other side that comes around the neck. So imagine it travels around, comes down towards that hair here, just there, and then comes down inside her jumper, just there, and then we have her jumper just there. She has like a hoodie on, or like a sweater, it looks like. And then this comes back this way. And then we can see the metal plate. It's just in here, curves up. Do the same on the other side. Just curves up, and then come around and join together. Then the bottom of that, just here. And then there's a line just on top to show that it's a bit thicker. Just like that. And then we have the bolts that hold it on. Just circles. 3 on this side. And then we have the leaf symbol inside. So I always find it easier. It's a triangle and a spiral with a tail. So I always find it easiest to do the triangle first. So you just like give it that point. And then there's the inner triangle, just there. And then this curves around the top to that tail there. And then we follow that again inside, down, around to that tail. And then we'll do the spiral part. So it spirals around like that. And then we'll just do the opposite side. Kind of like that. Then for her shoulders, so we'll just, let's see, so we'll do a line here behind her hair, jump over the hair, starts to travel down, another bump for clothes, and another bump just there for shoulder, and goes off my page. You can do the same on the other side. There, one down, that way, bump here, and then this comes down and off my page, and then her hair will go behind her back. And then you can just add those lines then for the rest of it, so the folds for the clothes. So it comes down towards the bottom of her body, and this comes down this way, and this will come around that way. And let's see, can we see that's that fold this way. We just have a line here, and then she has those crisscross lines that are on her t-shirt. So it's like a, so some lines going this way and then some lines going this way. So you'll just go, you could do either one you want first. You could use a ruler if you wanted to keep them straighter, but it's close, so close, fold and bend and stuff, so you don't have to be too precious about it. And then this way. And let's see, there, we align just that way. And there she is, Hinata from Naruto. Like, subscribe, share, all the rest. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.